Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Legend of Zelda theme on piano. Start by finding middle C on your instrument, which is often located near the manufacturer's name. This note will be your anchor. For the melody, position your right hand with your thumb on middle C. To ensure a steady rhythm, set a metronome to 60 beats per minute. This will help you maintain a consistent tempo as you learn the piece. Let's begin with the first part of the right-hand melody. It starts with the notes C, E, G, F, E, D, and C. Play each note smoothly, holding it for one beat. Focus on a clear, even sound. Repeat this 7-note sequence several times until it feels comfortable and you can play it without hesitation. Now for the second part of the right-hand melody. This phrase consists of G, F, E, D, C, followed by B below middle C, and then back to C. Pay attention to the lower B note as it expands your playing range slightly. Once you're comfortable with this, try connecting both the first and second phrases to play the complete melody line. For the left hand, we'll keep it simple with a C major chord, which consists of the notes C, E, and G. Play this chord on the first beat of each measure to provide a harmonic foundation. Remember to practice slowly at first, gradually increasing your tempo as your confidence grows. Consistent practice for 15 minutes daily will yield great results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.